Hey, and welcome back to our channel, Destiny Manifest. I'm Jay. If you're new here, today I'll be sharing with you how to sell digital downloads on Etsy step by step. Now, this is an amazing way to make money online in 2022 and beyond. Our last Etsy video was about setting up your Etsy shop with a print-on-demand company called Printful, which I highly suggest watching if you're brand new to selling online and selling on Etsy. In fact, if you don't already have an Etsy shop, take a moment to watch our previous video. It teaches you how to set up your Etsy shop with Printful. It's completely free to start on Etsy, and then make sure to come right back to this video. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It helps us out so much, and we try to post videos every week talking about ways that you can make money online, complete with our secrets and tips. We talk about mindset, manifestation, and basically how you can create your dream life. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to sell digital downloads on Etsy. This is a great way to make money online passively. And this business is very cost-friendly and beginner-friendly too. Creating designs is simple, and Etsy shops, like I said before, are free to open. Not only that, but Etsy favors new shops and gives them an extra boost in the algorithm. So you get a head start in your Etsy business success. So I'm going to head over to some of our favorite websites for designing digital products to show you how you can get started selling digital downloads on Etsy. And I'm going to show you two kinds of digital products that you can start with right away. So I went on a hunt on Etsy and found this product that you're seeing on my screen. This is a great example of a digital product store. These guys are star sellers and they just started their shop last March. Their digital downloads range from $5 to $17, and while that may not seem like a lot, remember, they only had to make each printable once, upload it to their shop, and it sells forever. That is truly passive income. As you can see, their products have sold over 18,000 times. I like to do the math sometimes and try to estimate how much a shop has generated in income, and this shop is easily a six-figure store. The best part is that most of their products are simple, single-page designs. It's impressive that they were able to achieve this success selling instant downloads, but it's not at all rare. There are so many successful shops on Etsy like this. Now, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an inspired product using a program called Canva Pro. I say inspired because it's never a good idea to copy another store's winning designs to the T. Instead, you just want to gain inspiration from them. And I've left a link in the description so that you can have a free trial of Canva Pro. You can test it out and see if it's a good fit for you and your business. Now you'll see that Canva has templates that you can customize for everything from social media content to book covers, planners, book interiors, and even print-on-demand designs. This is why we highly recommend this platform to new business owners, designers, and content creators. Now we're going to create a new design, so I typed the word quote into the search bar and found so many templates. I ended up choosing this design, and I customized it by adding my own cute washroom-related quote, and I changed the font too. You have to keep in mind how you intend for your printable to be used. For instance, this printable is something that my customer will most likely print out, frame, and place in their home. That's my intention for this design. So I'm going to use fonts that are easy to read, especially from far away, and I'm going to make sure that my design is not overly busy or complicated. I tried to do something a little different from the design compared to the one that was on the Etsy shop. That's why instead of keeping it just text, I made it a little more interesting by adding a clean and simple image that complements the quote, and I also changed up the colors too. When you're finished, download your wall frame design as a PDF print file since they have the best printing resolution out of all the options. Make sure to download a JPEG file copy as well, and you'll see why later. I'm going to show you one more digital download you can make just to give you some variety, and then we're going to upload them to Etsy. So I browsed through more printable designs in shops, looking for best-selling printables and successful stores. I found an Etsy shop that's selling all sorts of planner sheets and activity pages, and they're fairly new, having opened in 2020, yet they have over 15,800 sales, so you can estimate how much they've generated in sales so far. And again, they did this completely passively. The cost may seem cheap for each item, but many printable shops benefit from an abundance of sales over time. Once the buyer makes a purchase, it's ready for download, making the sale an automatic process because the seller never has to touch that product again. Digital downloads remind me a lot of book royalties because you just create it one time and yet they can continue to earn you money for years to come. From this shop, one item that caught my eye is their password tracker sheet. It's sold quite a few times for them and it's received very good 5-star reviews. Now, I could have made my own from scratch, but with websites like creativefabrica.com, I don't have to. I've left a link to Creative Fabrica in the description if you want access to thousands of graphics, fonts, planner pages, and so much more. Now, on this website, in the search bar, I just typed in password tracker, and immediately all kinds of templates appeared ready to download. I selected a 2-page set just like the one that I saw in the listing. And by the way, all designs on this website include a commercial license, so you're allowed to resell them in your own business. You don't have to make any changes to these digital downloads if you don't want to, but I did decide to take this design into Canva Pro, and I ended up changing the title font. You can certainly do more to edit the design, but because this is just a tutorial, I left mine at this. When you save a printable planner page, make sure to save it as a PDF standard, since it's an editable file that the buyer can fill out in their own writing programs on their computers, or they can print out copies if they desire. Make sure to save a JPEG copy of your planner printables as well. Now, before we upload our designs to Etsy, we will need some attractive mock-ups. Like I said in my last video, Etsy is a very visual platform, so the products with the nicest photos often have an advantage over their competition and they're more likely to sell. I'm going to show you one of our favorite places to create mock-ups. It's a website that you can use to design gorgeous, realistic mock-ups, and it's called Placeit.net. It's a wonderful design website that features mock-ups that you can customize for logos, social media, print on demand, digital downloads, and so much more. It's great because it gives your potential buyer an idea of what your products will look like in their home well before they buy it. Now, I already uploaded my JPEG images to the website just to make the creation process faster for this tutorial. This website doesn't use PDF files, so that's why I advised you to save a JPEG file of your digital products that you made in Canva. In the search bar, type in what you're looking for. So, for my password tracker sheets, I decided to search for paper and magazine, and I ended up choosing 2 amazing looking templates. One featured a person, and then the other was just the sheets alone, just to give people a nice idea of what they can expect to print out. Once you choose your template, go to Insert Image, and then you either upload from my device if it's on your computer, or if you've already uploaded your images into the website, then you'll just go to Recently Uploaded and choose your files. For my bathroom wall art printable, I typed in wall art, and then I chose the mock-up I liked best for this design. Now, this website allows you to resize your images to fit the templates. You can also play with the background colors too. And yeah, now you have a gorgeous mock-up. It's really that simple. Then just download it to your computer so you can use it on your Etsy listing. You can actually make as many mock-ups as you want, since I believe Etsy allows you to upload up to 10 photos per listing. So next, let's head over to Etsy. You'll want to go to your listing section on your Etsy shop, and this is of course assuming that you've already set up your shop. You're going to create a new listing, and you're going to use keywords in your title that customers are searching for. You can use websites like erank.com and marmalade.com to discover some really great keywords, but you can also look at other sellers' listings for inspiration, because most of the best sellers in your niche are most likely using high-ranking keywords. Of course, what you don't want to do is copy their titles exactly. You want to make something of your own. And while filling out this page, make sure you state that your product is a finished product. So that's why I selected 2020 to 2022 for the year that my product was finished. And unlike print-on-demand items that are physical products, you do want to toggle it to say that this is a digital product. In your description, remember to add relevant keywords, since Etsy now pays attention to this area when ranking your products. I believe it's a new update, and we did a short video about it a few weeks ago. Also, make sure to include somewhere in the description that this is a downloadable file and that nothing will be shipped to the customer. Next, of course, just add your tags. Again, erank.com and marmally.com are great places to find keywords. Or you can also use extensions that work with Google Chrome to find tags that your competitors are using in order to be found in the algorithm. Digital downloads typically cost anywhere between $1 to $20. I've seen some that are on the cheaper end, 50 cents to 90 cents. You don't have to go that low. And of course, I have seen some digital downloads that are more than $20. So, these are just the averages. Planner pages tend to cost around $1 to $2 for single sheets. And then typographic artwork, I've seen for around $5. They can, of course, cost more. And then when you get into bundles and workbooks, calendars, and other art printables, they can cost anywhere from $10 to $20. But make sure to research your exact niche to get a better idea of the average price. It may not seem like a lot of money, but sales do add up over time, and so does your profit. For quantity, you can list any amount up to $999. Where it says digital file, you're going to upload your PDF file here, so it's ready for download anytime that someone buys it, and then you're going to hit publish. Next, I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all set up. And that's it. That's how you can turn Etsy into a passive side hustle with digital downloads that you design and then you literally set and forget. Now, there are so many digital products that you can sell. They aren't restricted to planner pages and artwork. You can sell SVG files, stickers, and so much more. Just be creative, do your research, and of course make sure to have fun. Remember, if you start your business right now, you can be earning thousands of dollars in passive income by the end of the year. If you like books, we have videos about Amazon KDP, which is another great way that we love creating passive income online. So with books, you just create them once and they sell for years to come. So they are amazing assets. They're amazing ways of just collecting royalties. You can earn life-changing income. So definitely check out that playlist if you're interested. And if you like this video, then make sure that you hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and click the thumbs up button. It helps us so much. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one.